Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to export Airtable as CSV. Let's get straight into it. I'll be showing this on the web version, but the same steps work on the desktop app. First, open the Airtable base that contains the data you want to export. Click on the base name from your Airtable home screen. The base will open and display all your tables. Next, select the specific table and view you want to export. You'll find the View tabs at the top of the table area, just above the data grid. Click on the view you need. The view will open and show you all the data with whatever filters, sorts, and visible fields you've configured. This matters because you can only export one view at a time, and the export will only include what's visible. Just a quick note, only the fields visible in this view will be included in your export, so if there are any hidden columns you need, make them visible first. Once you've got the right view open, look for the down arrow icon next to the view name at the top. Click on that arrow. A drop-down menu will appear with several view options, including things like renaming the view, duplicating it, and downloading it. In that drop-down menu, find the option that says download.csv and click it. The CSV file will download instantly to your computer by default. It goes straight to your downloads folder. And you're done. The CSV file is now saved to your computer, and you can open it in Excel, Google Sheets, or any other spreadsheet app. A couple of quick things to keep in mind if your table includes attachment fields. The URLs in the CSV will expire after a few hours, so if you need those files, download them right away. Also, you can only export one view at a time using this method, so if you need multiple tables, just repeat these steps for each one. And finally, you may need to adjust some formatting like column widths or text wrapping once you open the file in your spreadsheet app, since CSV is a plain text format. That's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.